Hello everyone, welcome to the contract testing with pact course. You must be heard word recurringly that contract testing. Nowadays, as people and organizations are accepting contract testing for microservices based application rapidly. I hope you guys are aware of the term microservices. Even if you have not, we will understand it in this course. Hello everyone, welcome to the course Contract Testing with pact, and I am Anuja, your instructor for the course. You must have heard the word of contract testing recurringly nowadays around you in the organization or from the people, because they are widely accepting the contract testing for their microservice based application. I hope you guys are aware of the term microservices, and even if you are not, don't worry, we will be covering that in the course as well. Before going to or before starting the contract testing course itself, so before starting with the course or course content, we need to understand why contract testing exists, what is the use of it, why companies are moving towards it. So if you see, currently organizations are accepting the pyramid based test model. You can see here, in the pyramid based test model, there are more number of unit tests and there are less number of UI or integration tests. See, because we want the faster results and UI tests gets us the slower results. Okay, so companies are moving towards the pyramid model here. As we know, for integration test, that helps us to validate that the communication of different systems in integration are working fine together. And we have various types of integration tests, but most common way is end-to-end testing, which requires code to be deployed in a real time environment, which is almost similar to the production environment. It should resemble to the real time production environment, which makes it very expensive, and it also makes it very slow process. That gives birth to our contract testing, because as per the test pyramid, if you see, the contract testing falls under the unit test section, and it also covers the communication of different systems, which gives us the faster results, which gives us the defects and bugs also in the very early stage of development. So if you see, the contract testing is nowadays a modern way of testing communication between the two different systems or multiple different systems in the lowest level of the pyramid. That's why it is accepted mostly in the current agile world. So if you see here, if you calculate the time investment you need to do for contract testing and end-to-end testing, you can see why contract testing exists. So now we know why it exists, what is the importance of implementing the contract testing. Then now we can start with the course content, what you are going to get from the contract testing with pact course from here. So course objective, here we will learn about microservice architecture. What is the difference between the current microservice architecture and the previous monolithic architecture, what is the difference, and we will study both of these architectures in detail in this first section. Then we will move on to the importance of contract testing in current agile world. We have seen the bits and pieces of it. Now why it is required, we will see that in more detail with a live example. Then we will move to what is contract testing. Then we will learn about the pact contract testing tool which is available. What is the tool, how it enables you to write a contract test, and then we will see the live projects where you are writing various types of contract tests with pact. Then we will study the concepts, different concepts of the tool, that is states, interactions, server configurations, orchestration, etc. So overall, if you see, the objective covers everything with the live project, live examples, and not only we are focusing here on the what is contract testing, or what is how you can use the pact tool. We are covering the course from the microservices architecture itself. So we will have some part of theory with the diagrams obviously, and then we will move it to the actual real-time examples. Okay, so this is the course objective. What you need before you start this course, you need to know core Java, basics of Java. If you don't know this, you need to do the basic Java course. This is available with me also. You can buy it from any other instructor. You can go through the basics of core Java. You can brush up if you already know. And Spring Boot is advantage. If you know it, it's advantage, but if you don't know, then also no problem. You will be able to write the contract test which we are going to see in this course. Okay, so without any delay, we will start with the next module, that is microservice architecture. Thank you.